I've got a bunch of boxes. Okay. I've got a lot. Like a lot. Hey girl, it's Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got a huge Amazon beauty haul for you guys, and I am super excited because after this video, it means I get to officially unpackage everything and get to play with it. So if anything in this video really catches your eye and you would like to see like a video review or tutorial, maybe you can give me some insight on whether or not I should return it or how to use it properly. In the comments down below is how we can communicate the best. And before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and let's get into it. So this will be in no particular order. I'm just going to show you guys them as I pulled them out of the box because we know how it is. Like some days you'll get them the next day, some days you'll get them 2 days, 3 days. It just depends on the product. So they're just random. But I should mention the eyelashes that I have on my eyes right now because they are my new favorite. So like Move Over number 113 Ardell lashes. Yeah, these are so much prettier. I mean, no shade. The other ones are cute too because I have them right here. They're over here like on my counter like, excuse me bitch, really? Cool. I mean, I like those too, but these ones are just, they're better. I had to take a little break really quick to order 2 more packs before they're sold out because I'm like, hold on. Every time I share something, then I can't ever find it again. Like my nude lip liner, I can't find it ever again. Fine. I knew better. I should have bought 3. Dang it! This is the Real Technique face and brow razors. If you've never shaved your face before, I mean that sounds weird because we're women, but if you've never shaved your face before, you're missing out because not only are you removing like the peach fuzz, unless you're related to me, you got a full on beard girl, you are also shaving off like the dead skin cells and you're leaving your face really, really smooth, really even base for your foundation to sit on top of. So holler at this. I did get another kit and I do have a tutorial. This is a neon nail kit and it also comes with a ton of products and it's like $23 right now, I believe. It comes with a lamp. It comes with, I think 6 polishes, tools, cuticle oil, like everything for 23 bucks. Like what? Another kit that I really like that you guys have to take advantage of the price. It's the kit that I keep showing in all of my nail videos. It comes with nails, a lamp, glue. Girl, it's the best. I got this At Ease body massager. Looks kind of intimidating, right? But what I bought it for is for like the veins that are on my legs, like spider veins. And my intentions are to like roll out those veins because it's a circulation issue. So they're not varicose where they're like thick and talking to you. They're like really faint because your girl is literally allergic to the sun. So I'm see-through. I feel like my legs are like my best asset since I don't have a waist. So I'm trying to show those things off and just not, you know, throw my circulatory system in everybody's face. Okay, so the 2 other products in this box is the Biore strips are supposed to pull off those blackheads. I've seen so many TikTok videos. Oh girl. I appreciate the zoom in, but can you back it up just a little bit? Because I also got some charging cables. If they're all white, you're gonna get them all mixed up. That's why I love the colored cords. Not only are they cute, but no one can get it twisted. Let's see. Ooh, I have a couple of products here from Real Techniques. I know I have some other brushes as well that I wanna show you. So we have the Real Techniques setting brush, and this one in particular, it looks like it's for highlighting, but you can also do it for your powder underneath your eyes like I have. I'm flipping you guys off, sorry. But like right under the area here, I use a brush from Real Techniques that's just a little bit bigger. My eyes are humongous and I have a lot of space right here. But if your eyes are smaller, I would go with a smaller brush. So this is a really good one. This is the Real Techniques powder brush. And you can use it for powder or for bronzer, but I'm definitely going to be using it to powder my face. I got myself a bottle of the Kiss FALSCARA makeup remover, and this is something that was recommended to get off their product because I have tried the FALSCARA lash extensions kit. I have a hard time getting my glue all the way out of my eyelashes when I take them off. These are just like strip lashes. But some of the glue like hangs out a bit. So I thought I would bring in the reinforcements and really douse my lashes because then I'm like yanking out my eyelashes because I'm trying to get every little piece of the glue. Can anybody relate? Speaking of cleansers, I also got this Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha. This is a 3-in-1 melting cleansing balm. If you have not already tried a cleansing balm, they're awesome. It kind of feels like you're rubbing Vaseline all over your face, essentially. And what you do is you rub it all over and it removes your makeup, and then you just go in and wash it all off. Next out of the box is from L'Oreal Paris. This is their Age Perfect Cell Renewal Midnight Serum. If you guys are like me and are getting a little old, I can't even say it. I can't even say it. I don't want to play myself, okay? Someone called me timeless. I'm like, bitch, you better not. You better respect your elders. When anti-aging products or like skincare is becoming important to you, the products from like Lancome and Estee Lauder, what's another brand that I really like? Sunday Riley, girl. It's like highway robbery. I mean, the products are really good, but when you're on a budget, you can't continue to restock those and eat food at the same time. Things are getting scary in America. I also got some Duo Dark eyelash adhesive. This is my favorite. I have so many other kinds of eyelash adhesive, and this is the one that I keep going back to. Most times I don't even wear eyeliner. As you can see, like no eyeliner, and it's the bomb. I also got another product from L'Oreal Paris. This is their Telescopic Mascara. A lot of beauty like publications or beauty magazines, influencers, just like experts recommend this product. So I'm like, why not? I'm gonna check it out. My face is built like a pug, where my eyes are really big and round, but my face is also like smashed at the same time. Anyways, moving on. I got this product thanks to TikTok, and it's because I do my nails a lot. If you guys are like me, try a peel off base, which makes your polish like peel off with some force. Here's another little on the go brush set from Real Techniques. This is another TikTok purchase. It's from Color Wow. This is their texturizing spray. I believe I purchased 2 other products from Color Wow because of TikTok videos, and I'm not sure if it's just like ads or what, but girl, I got sucked in. I have long hair, right? My hair's long. This is clean hair too, so it's shiny, girl. I want it to be like a little bit more, so that's why I got that product, and I'm hoping that it'll work. I had to restock one of my favorite moisturizers. This is from Cetaphil. And this is a moisturizing lotion. It's for dry to normal skin. It's literally why I don't have like scales falling off of me anymore. Like, I'm super moisturized. So when I take off my little black leggings, there's not like flakes everywhere. It makes a world of a difference. If you have sensitive skin, I definitely recommend this brand. I personally do not like the Cetaphil body wash because I feel like it leaves my body so greasy. It's weird. I'm like, how am I washing my ass when I'm adding oil? It doesn't make any sense. I also got this primer, and this is the NYX Professional, the Marshmallow Primer. I've seen it on TikTok as well, and again, I'm just nosy. Now, for all the mocosas out there, this is not a beauty product, but I decided to include it anyways because it's in my box. I got this saline spray because, girl, if you're in California, I don't know, I feel like maybe just planet Earth, everybody's experiencing these really wicked allergy attacks, and I was told by the doctor to use a saline spray. Now this, if I use it, I'm gonna have like saline all over the place. It's gonna be in the back of my, basically what it is like salt water. You're spraying it up your nose, and you're supposed to keep it moist, because if you don't, that's when you have like, you know, sore throat and all that stuff. So I don't know, if you're struggling with that, saline spray it is. In my last box here, I got these like individual boxes, which I'm so excited about because I have a little like nail trolley, or I don't even know, it's like a rolling cart of nail supplies. So each tier has different nail stuff, so I can wheel it around my house, do my nails in here, on the couch, at the kitchen table. And then I needed some little individual boxes to place all of my nail files and, you know, all the supplies. So they come in a couple of different colors. And the thing I like about these boxes is that they have a little like clip to lock them in place. The ones that I have on my trolley right now, they just open. There's no locking at all. So that's why they're a pain in my ass. And I decided to get these. So when I put that together, I'll make sure to make a video about that to show you guys how I store my nail supplies. Here's another pack of brushes from Real Techniques. This is their 8 must-have eye brushes. There are 2 or 3 of them in this pack that I'm like, I had to get, and they don't sell them individually, so that's why I got another set. One of the makeup artists from, I think it was Kylie or maybe Kim Kardashian, they use these particular lashes. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama lashes, but honestly, I might even return these ones because the lashes that I got that I'm wearing, I'm like so obsessed with them that I feel like I'm just gonna keep wanting to put these ones on only. I also got another eyelash curler. The one that I've been using is pretty old. It's from Wet n Wild. And of course you can find that at the drugstore, but this one in particular is a wider like eyelash curler. And like I said, my eyes are really round and big. Sometimes when I curl my eyelashes, well, not sometimes, almost every single time I curl my eyelashes, the end here is always like left out. So the end is like straight and the rest of my eyelashes are up. Since this is wider, it actually covers the entire eyeball. Can you see that? I'm like, okay. And then last but not least would have to be this body wash that I decided to get. It is from CeraVe and it's an SA body wash and it's for rough and bumpy skin. I have like bumpy skin here on my arms. That's not cute. I think like almost everybody in my family has it. It's like a thing. So I know I'm not the only one. And you're supposed to just like, I'm just gonna wash that area because it has like a light acid in here and it's to soften the appearance of those bumps. So hopefully just get the hell out of here because it's not cute. I want to say that this was like over $10 for sure, but under 20, but it's really small. So I'm gonna have to just concentrate on the bumpy parts and not my whole body. So there's that. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul. I am super excited to read the comments. I hope you guys will go and visit me and follow me on my Amazon storefront. I do occasional lives and they're very sporadic and spontaneous. So if you ever want to interact with me live, that is the best place to follow me. I mostly do nail tutorials, but I've been contemplating like getting ready with me during live, especially if it's like not like a really important day where I'm having to rush. That way I can talk with you guys and hang out and things. But anyhow, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care and